Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator water filter mounting plate. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water filter mounting plate. The water filter mounting plate holds the water filter in place. The minute you should be changing it out if it's damaged and the water filter is loose. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the right refrigerator door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the water filter mounting plate. First thing we have to do is take the cover off. We're going to press on the lever to release it and let the filter drop down. Then the cover is mounted on 2 pins on the back. We're just going to flex it so it comes off. Once you have this side off, you can drop it down and then pull it off the pin on the other side. Once you have it off the pins, you can pull it out of the refrigerator and set it aside. Once you have the cover out of the way, we can take the filter off. We have to unclip this mounting point right here. I'm just going to press down on the clip. Once you have it free, then we can pull the pin out on the other side. And we're just going to kind of let the water filter hang there while we take the mounting plate off. The water filter mounting plate is held in by 4 locking tabs, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. We're going to have to kind of pull down on the edge a little bit and then get on the top of it with a putty knife, and then you'll see the locking tab in there. We're just going to press on it and pull it down, and you can do the rear one. Once you have this side done, then you can kind of pull it down and then pull it over a little bit so the other 2 tabs come out. We can drop it down and pull the rear out. There's 2 feet back here that you have to pull out. And then we can unwrap it from the water lines. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old water filter mounting plate next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water filter mounting plate in, we're just going to feed it up into place and wrap it around the water lines. We can put the 2 mounting tabs up in the back and then lift it up and snap all the tabs in. You're going to have to press right on the bottom of each tab to get it to lock in. Once you have it locked in place, we can put the filter back on. To put the water filter in, we're going to lift it up and put the right pin through the support. And we can lift up and clip in the left one. Once you have it on, we can put the cover on. Same as the filter, we're going to lift it up and put the right pin on first. Then we're going to flex it over the left pin. Then we can lift up on the cover and lock the filter in place. Once you have it locked, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.